Hello, my little crafting family. Hope you have all been well. This month you have the option to make either of these two cards. So with Mother's Day coming up in Australia, you can make a Mother's Day card, or you've also got the option to make a thank you card as well. So you'll get you'll get the things in your kit. So either or, the thank you or the mum version, the floral and the pink to cut out your bits, the two cards, so you can choose which one you want to do, and then I've popped a pink envelope in there as well. So these are your supplies that you'll get in your kits, and these are the cards we're going to make. So today I'm going to make show you how to make the mum one, but obviously the thank you one is just the same. So let's get crafting. And it's got, in the inside, it's got some little florals as well. Okay, so grab your card, and it's got pre-fold, so you can just fold that down, and then we're going to do the florals. So what you first need to do is grab your mum version and cut out those pieces and the little flower as well. So you'll end up with the pieces, MUM, and the little flower, and that's going to be what you can use to trace. So grab your flower piece and pop them on. And a little trick is, because these are all flat, some of the pieces have flat bottoms and a flat side, you can pop them straight on the flat piece and this one upside down, and it'll save you a little bit of cutting. So best one to draw around is a mechanical pencil. It just gets in the little corners the best. So trace around your letters, and also if you can do 3 flowers in this floral, that would be great. And then you cut them out. So I've done most of the cutting, just got one more to go, finish off the U. So yeah, trace around on the white bit so it's easier to see as well. And then for cutting, it doesn't matter quite so much if you've got a little bit of grey lead showing through. There we go, got my trusty yogurt container rubbish bin there. Okay, so then we have our words. I've got some flowers here. We're going to do the pink one on the front. Okay, so grab your card and your pink flower. Let's crease that fold a bit more. Okay, and then sort of see where you want them. This one sort of sits on top of the M there in the corner. And then another little trick, so once you've I'll probably line up that M with about the same space in between the love and the bottom of the card, and then sort of at the edge of that L, and then the rest in line with that. Probably maybe a tad more spacing on this side just to fit the flower in nicely. But then what you can do to keep everything nicely lined up, you can either quickly just measure to make sure that you're happy with how that is. Let's just see, because I'm a little bit fussy about these things too. So 1.4, yep, happy with that. Okay, and then just pop the ruler gently, slide it in, take your finger away, gently under that and line up the bottom of the letters. Then you've got them straight, so because you're going to take each one off to glue, so grab your glue stick, and I've got a bit of scrap paper over here which I'm going to use for gluing. So, and then what you can also do, another little trick, is to see where your letter starts, so that will help you place it back into the same spot. So mine is 11mm there, and then you just gently, this is the tricky bit, just get it up, put the glue down, there we go, so that nothing else moves. Grab some glue, nicely all over, and then we'll place it back in that 11mm spot and in line with the bottom of the ruler. Push down, there we go. The U is a bit harder to line up, but I just line it up in between the sides of the M. A bit more glue. Just hold the ruler down just to keep everything not moving. Just gently. And our M, what is that sort of lining up? 9.7. More glue. Again, hold the ruler nicely at 9.7. There we go, and then our flower. So I've, again, the pencil marks are on the reverse side, so that's the bit you glue, so you don't see any pencil marks that you may still have, depending on how good your cutting is. Doesn't matter so much. All right, and we pop our flower top of the M there. There we go. We've got our mum cut, and then on the inside, grab 2 of your cut out florals and cut out a pink one as well, and we're going to sort of make that into a little corner curvy piece there. So just grab your glue again. So that one goes on the bottom, and then each consecutive one sort of goes on top a little bit. So this one just on top a little bit on that one, and this one will be on top of the pink a little bit. One petal. Oops. Okay. There we go. Sort of in a bit of a round shape, just to sort of make it a bit of a corner. And there we go. There is our Mother's Day floral card. Then the last thing, if you grab your envelope, if you've got a spare floral flower shape, so you can either put it at the bottom here, or to seal it, just half and half, or at the top corner, or when you write mum near the name. So yeah, your choice if you want to decorate your envelope with another flower. All right, have fun. See you later.